So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be showing you how I made this beautiful nails by myself. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. And now guys, these are my nails. This is the way my nail look right now. It's some part of the nail is long, some part is short. So what I'm gonna be doing is to make sure that I have the same length. I'm going to call it extreme L short. They're all gonna be short so it doesn't peep out from the artificial nail laser run. So guys, afterwards I went ahead and cut my nails, and the next thing to do is to make sure that you clean the debris from cutting or whatever from your nail. Make sure you have a clean nail and a clean surface to put your artificial nails on. Afterwards guys, make sure that you touch it and make sure there are no debris further on your nails. The next thing to do guys is to file your nails because you need a rough surface to put the artificial nail on. And guys, my nail file is rough. It's actually very old. Yeah, I know, right? Okay, so you can see me filing right now. I'm filing the nails. I'm making the surfaces rough, just lightly. It doesn't have to be too hard or brush. Just make it lightly rough so it can be easier for your artificial nail to stay on. So we're gonna file the whole 10 fingers right there. And right now I'm done filing. The next thing to do guys, okay, before I go there, see this nail, I got it actually cheap from the major market, and it came already pre-glued. It's called Noble Nails. It came already pre-glued, but I removed the glue inside the nail. I removed it because it didn't stick at all. It didn't stick guys, so I had to just remove it and put my own glue. So the first thing we're gonna do is to make sure that we have the right artificial nail for the size of our nail, of our natural nail. So I'm gonna be checking the sizes and I'm gonna set it down to make it easier. Right there, I have all my nails set out. It makes it so much easier when you have your nails already set down. So we're gonna go ahead now and apply glue to our finger gently. We're gonna rub the glue. Make sure you spread out the glue on the surface of your natural nail. Spread it out lightly on the surface, then put the artificial nail on and give it a gentle press. Yeah, there you go. There you go guys. And it is hard. That was so easy, right? Okay, so we are gonna go ahead and clean the tip from extra glue or whatever other debris that you might have on your finger. Then we'll go ahead, do the second one, apply the glue gently, put the artificial nail on the glue that you have applied. Yeah, make sure you spread it out and then you give it a gentle press. There we go guys, this is really cute. This particular nail that has the glitter thing stone horn is really cute. I love it. There we go. So we're gonna go ahead until we do all the fingers. Can you see that guys? Just so lovely. Really lovely guys. So we're gonna go ahead and do the second one just the same way we did the first hand. And look at this finger guys. I know you guys will be wondering like why is a fingernail like that? Well, I got an injury when I was younger. I cut myself with a cutlass actually. I was trying to break some coconuts, and the security person that was supposed to help me wouldn't help me. So I wanted to act all strong and I broke my nail. And then here we go, we have our artificial nail there on it. But because this nail has some scar, I usually go ahead and put a little glue on it. Then I try to file it down and then I put hardener on it just to make it balance up. There we have it, guys. It's so cute, right? It's really cute. Okay, so the second, we're going to go ahead and do the other nails just the same way we did the first hand. And this is the last one, the very last one, guys. Are you not liking this already? I am loving it. So that's the last finger there. And there we go, giving it a gentle press. So here we have it. That is my nail. I love it already. If you like this or you like to know where to get this, kindly message me in my email. Send me a message, drop a message in my down below, and see you guys later. Kindly subscribe to my channel, guys. Bye.